Forget the massive SUVs and forget the 18-foot luxury sedans. What you're looking at right now is the future of urban mobility from Munich. This is the 2026 BMW Isetta. That's right, the legendary bubble car is back, and this time it's rocking a very futuristic set of kidneys. But the real question is, can a car this tiny actually justify a BMW price tag? Just look at this front end. BMW kept that iconic Isetta silhouette, but gave it a total cyberpunk makeover. You've got these ultra-slim LED headlights that flow directly into a closed-off, illuminated kidney grille. It's incredibly minimalist. And moving to the back, it's just so clean. That single-line wraparound taillight makes the car look much wider than it actually is. It is the literal definition of retro-futurism done right. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels way more premium than a car this size has any right to be. The dash is wrapped in sustainable, recycled fabrics, featuring BMW's latest curved display. There are zero cluttered physical buttons here. It feels like sitting in a high-end miniature jet cockpit. And because the floor is completely flat, the legroom is actually kind of shocking. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. Well, sort of. Since it's 2026, there's no gasoline involved here. Powertrain? A rear-mounted electric motor pumping out roughly 150 horsepower. Range? You're looking at about 250 miles on a single charge. For a city commuter, that is plenty. And because it weighs next to nothing, this thing is punchy. We're talking 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. It's basically a street-legal go-kart. Now, for the elephant in the room, what does this cost? BMW is targeting a starting price between $35,000 and $42,000. Yeah, that's a lot of money for a small footprint, but you're paying for the badge and the tech. The rivals? The Isetta is going head-to-head with the stylish Fiat 500e and the quirky Microlino. But honestly, the Isetta smokes them both when it comes to brand prestige and interior tech. So is the 2026 BMW Isetta the ultimate solution for city gridlock, or just an expensive toy for collectors? I want to know what you think. Is this cool or just crazy? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.